Cars? Yeah, so the wall is now prepared for the tiling. I need to cut a bit of a piece on the top. The most important wall is this one. So I glue all my boards back to the wall. I think they need still another 10 hours or something to get dry fully. And I finished the biggest task of my life, which was doing plumbing. So that's my new shower position. Obviously I've got hot and cold for, you can just see it over here, hot and cold for the sink, and there is a water pipe for the cold water pipe for the toilet. So soldiered this together yesterday, and there wasn't a single leak yet, so I'm not getting too excited about it, but I've got 2 taps for my sink. They just came today. Obviously this one stays as that until I fit all the tiling. So the job for today is to replace this old floor. Well, replace and complete now. So first things first, just do a bit of a cleaning and get everything out from inside. So that's our third Saturday. We started off this morning with the sealing of the back of the shower. Now I'm gonna do a bit of a core drilling for the waste pipe for a new position of the toilet. So I've got my drill, I've got my core. I got a set from B&Q for I think £80. These give you 3 different sizes. Actually, one I already use, and then the third one I'm gonna use for a sink. Yeah. Finally, we've got our shitter hole. Just need to make sure. So yeah, this one is in, and now, hey. But that's plenty for us. Actually, I finished this one a bit later.